And it also puts the highlighter under your black ink so it doesn't fade it or tint it or anything like that. This option, the shapes, will just gonna help you draw a perfect circle like that. And then the lasso tool is so cool. So you can go around, you can move, and then you can also resize it. So say that circle's too big, I need a circle that's that big. This is very beneficial if you want to make pretty titles because you have more control the smaller you write, but you want your titles to be bigger, so you can resize them and make them bigger and it will still look pretty. Okay, and then you can add some pictures. This is my thumbnail from last week. And then you can take a picture and then you can add a text box. And then lastly, there's a laser pointer, which I actually really appreciate because I'm a tutor. So this would have been so nice to have when I was tutoring. So now we're going to talk about the pros and cons and why I think if I was only choosing one note-taking app, I would choose GoodNotes. So pros, I have 3 main pros. The first pro is the organization. So I really like seeing everything and being able to put a folder in a folder and organizing it. It's not overwhelming and you can just have everything out and then have subdivisions after it if you would want. And then, so another thing with GoodNotes is I like the writing experience. So I find that my writing looks better on GoodNotes compared to other note-taking apps. So the writing experience is a lot better for me on GoodNotes and it is shown through my notes. I think they look better on this app. All right, and then lastly, I like the customization of GoodNotes. So you can make a new notebook. You can customize the paper. There's so many different types of paper. And then you can also upload your own paper. You have so many different cover options. It makes it fun, you know, you can customize it. When you go into the notebook, through the pen colors, there's so many different colors and you even have a wheel, which not all note-taking apps have. The one con of GoodNotes is even though it is extremely organized, if you were in a rush, you would have to go through all these things. It wouldn't be a quick sidebar where you could be like, oh, that's my notes, and click it and they would come up. You kind of have to go through these things, but that doesn't really bother me at all because it's only a couple seconds that it would hold you back. But that's the only thing I've really found that could be a con, but I think it's totally an overlookable con because it's really not that bad at all. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you love GoodNotes as much as I do. Happy note taking. Bye guys.